All right, you guys, happy Sunday. You probably can't see Chloe. The sun is directly ahead of us, kind of over us. It's a little gloomy. We're going back out today because we need milk and drinks for the house since school is shut down and the kids are out for the next 2 weeks. So we're gonna head to one of our local Hispanic stores because they should be plenty stocked, and we're gonna take a look and see what they have inside. So the one directly up the street from me was closed. I guess it's Sunday. They probably don't open until after church. But anyways, we're gonna check out one a little bit further up the road and see if they're open and what they have inside. And it's kind of still quiet out on the roads this morning. Pollen is out because you can tell I'm getting a little stuffy again, but it's 9:41. So there's not still much traffic out as of yet. But stay tuned. I don't even think this place is open either. Oh, they're not open. All right, on to the next. We actually came to another Walmart not too far from where we are, and they have a good amount of stuff. They're just out of water and some detergent. I think some toilet paper and stuff, but other than that, they bag everything else that we need. So, winning. All right, so I was able to get a couple of apple juices, some milk, some snacks, some things to cook for dinner the next few days. So that was great. Like I said, they were out of toilet paper, water, and a few other food items, but for the most part, they had a good selection compared to the other places we've been to. So she needs to be buckled in. I just had her get in the car. So yeah, I think we're gonna go put this stuff up and probably just be in for the day. Hey guys, so it's about lunchtime, and I think I'm gonna do some buffalo shrimp for me and Mom. You guys know yesterday I picked up this Red Hot, and then today I got a bag of extra large shrimp. I've got those just cleaned and kind of thawing out right there for a little bit in the sink. Oh yeah, my panko crumbs, sweep my eggs out. Short problems. My seasonings. Hi. 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 What are you having, baby?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
Yeah, mac and cheese.
You love mac and cheese? Tell them that's your favorite?
Yeah, my favorite. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah.
So I'm getting ready to start on this, and I will show you guys how I'm gonna make it. All right, so I'm warming up some oil in a pot, pan, whatever. Yeah, you got your napkin tucked in because you made a mess, huh? Anyways, I got my flour here. I put in some chili powder, garlic salt, pepper, and seasoning salt, which is blended in there. I've whisked a few eggs, and I've got my panko breadcrumbs, so we're going to batter the shrimp, go ahead and fry them, and then when they're done, we'll coat them in the wing sauce, or the buffalo sauce. Even though it says wings, you know, you can use it for the same thing, whatever. So my shrimps are nice and golden brown and beautiful and cooked. So I've got them draining over here on this napkin and plate. While that's happening, I'm gonna wash my dishes, and then we'll come back and toss them in their coat of buffalo sauce, and they'll be ready. Look at that. guys, here's the finished product. It smells so good. It smells a little spicy. Got a side of ranch for dipping. Of course, my sweet tea. It's about to be bomb.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Chloe. What's up, guys? It is like 5 o'clock, I think. I don't have my watch on, and my phone is over there, but I like dozed off on the couch earlier. I look crusty. Chloe fell asleep. That's why her hair's kind of wild. But we're not doing much. We haven't been doing much. My mom just ran some McDonald's to go pick us up some dinner because we don't feel like cooking. You know, I made that shrimp earlier. That was lunchtime. But yeah, we're just gonna get a little something from McDonald's and chill out. I do go back to work tomorrow. And like I said, the schools here are closed. So the kids are, well, Cristiano's out of school for the next 2 weeks at least. Thank God I have my mom here so she can watch Chloe and keep Cristiano for me while I'm at work. Our job is also, of course, taking precautionary measures to prepare for people's kids being out, because a lot of us at my office have kids, and so yeah, a lot of people are gonna be missing time out because of their kids. So one of the good things that we're doing is, like, those of us that have older kids or family members that are willing to babysit, they can get paid to babysit some of the other staff members' children if they're willing to do that. So that will help some people out, definitely. But yeah, you guys, it's just crazy. Like, I know it's serious, but like I said yesterday, and I can't say it enough, you know, it's just as contagious as a lot of other things going around out here. People just be careful. Be careful. Quit traveling, quit hanging out in these places. And if your kids are home from school, that doesn't mean take them out to these public places, these ball pits, these bounce houses, Chuck E. Cheese, and all this other stuff where germs are so quickly and easily spread. Like, stay home. That's the whole purpose of all of this. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Oh my gosh, Chloe, you've definitely got your second win after that nap. I'm gonna end the vlog here and get this edited and uploaded before tonight. I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, a great start to their week. You know, be safe.
Mommy.
Take care. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And we'll see you guys later this week. Bye.